Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add links to your YouTube banner. This is great for letting your viewers know what other social media platform you're active on. You can also share your own website URL on that banner. If you still don't have a YouTube banner, then you can watch my other video of how to add a YouTube banner to your channel. You will see the link at the top right. So let's open up your web browser and go to youtube.com. Then click on your profile at the top right and then click on your channel. Then click on Customize Channel. Hover your mouse over the channel banner and you will see a pencil icon at the top right of the banner. Click on that pencil icon, then click on Edit Links. Once the page loads up, if you look at the bottom section, you'll see Customized Link. YouTube allows you to add a maximum of 5 external links. Go ahead and click on Add. Add a title for your first link, then add your URL. In this example, I'll add my Instagram page. You can add more by pressing Add, but in my case, I won't need it. Once you're done, go ahead and press the Done button. Now you can see your Instagram link on your banner at the bottom right. So this is how your viewers will see your Instagram link on your banner at the bottom right. And that is how to add links to your YouTube banner. So I hope you did find this useful. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another social media app tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.